The sky calls to me. But how does one fly without wings?
Planes do it! Why not? Why not a chicken?
The key in elevation.
And a good bounce.
Every connection must be perfect.
First, a small step.
Smooth for maximum lift. Warm-ups are essential.
Here we go! Great!
Run, run, run!
Whoosh!
Uh-oh, too much ground. Note to self, more propulsion needed. This will add spring. Time for attempt number 2.
Faster, faster!
I'm flying.
Whoa! Spin cycle.
Incoming!
Soft landing, at least.
Need to control the trajectory.
Precision is paramount.
The Chicken-pult is ready. A little higher this time.
One step closer to the clouds.
What a view!
Ready for launch! Lock City!
3.2.1. Blast off! I'm doing it! I'm truly flying! Woo!
Hello, feathered friends!
Not the fire station! My hot dog! Oof, oof. Extra mustard, please. Are you okay, chicken?
Need a parachute. Or a stronger magnet. A softer landing strategy is vital. Perfect for controlled descent.
New method, new heights. Almost there. Safety first! No!
Now for the soft landing.
Oh no! Not enough air! Water landing! Glub, glub, glub! Too much air is bad, too little is worse. I need just right. For true upward mobility. The Poultry Propulsion Pack is a go!
This is live from Lego City! Are you ready for your greatest stunt yet?
Always ready to defy gravity. Initiating launch sequence. Not quite blast off. Well, that was unexpected. Back to the drawing board. This time, it must work. Behold! The Gravity-Defying Chicken Booster.
A hush falls over the crowd. Thank you, thank you! Oh,
Deep breath. Break it up. Deep breath. Here we go. Now.
I'm really doing it! Falling with style.
Almost there. Ta-da!
He did it! He flew without wings. How does it feel to achieve the impossible?
Like a million chicken nuggets.
Never give up on your dreams, no matter how wild. The sky is not the limit, just a suggestion.
Now, how about that trip to the moon? Another beautiful day for adventure. Planes are fine, but my way is more organic.
Never stop trying.
Because in Lego City, anything is possible.